Okay, this video is for lesson number 5, Input Multiple Names assignment. Now, in the last lesson, we learned what these lines are doing. And now this lesson, we've just added these two new lines, or at least I have for you. And I'm going to run it just to see what happens. So, let's see, it's taking a little while here. Come on. Hello, what is your name? So I type in Douglas. Hit enter. Nice to meet you, Douglas. How many times would you like to see your name printed on the screen? I'll say 5 times. I hit enter. It didn't do what I said. I wanted it to print 5 times. So there's missing code here. So you notice the second input, when I typed in a 5, it was stored as this variable times. But this time, here's one of the new things we're learning in this lesson is, here's an input command, but we're changing that input to be integer type data. That's what that int means. So notice we have to put the parenthesis around that. Usually in Python, when you have a command, you put parentheses, or when you see parentheses, you know that it's a command, kind of like print has this. So I'm telling Python, integerize, or make this an integer, this input, whatever they type in. And so I typed in a 5, and now it's an integer, but it didn't print anything out on the screen. And over here in the instructions, that's what I told you guys to do here. I said add this line of code. Print name, so whatever was input for here, multiplied by this. So let's see if it works now. What's your name? Douglas. Douglas the Great. Nice to meet you, Douglas the Great. Let's see, let's go with 100. Nah, I don't want it to get hung up here. I just want you guys to be able to see it. Alright, so I just did 5. Douglas the Great, Douglas the Great. Okay, so it worked. Printed it 5 times on the screen. Alright, so that's what we're learning here, is practicing using variables, assigning variables to input, and practicing using input commands to accept data, accept input from the user. And then we also learned that you can multiply these and it prints it out that many times. Alright, see you in the next one.